This is the this keyword class. What is the purpose of this keyword in Java? It refers to the current object of the class. To refer the current object, we will use this keyword to differentiate between the instance variables as well as the local variables. To difference between the instance as well as local variables. Here this is a simple example here. Public class my class integer value. Here in this point of view, the value is called as an instance variable. This is called as an instance variable. Now come this constructor here, public my class int value. Here in this point of view, here this value is called as a local variable. Okay, this is called as the local variable or the constructor parameter here. This dot value equals to value. Here in this point of view, that this dot value it is a instance variable. Okay. Here to separate the instance variable with the local variable, then we need to use this keyword here. This dot value is nothing but it is referring to the instance variable. Here in this point of view, the value is called as this is called as a constructor variable, or it is called as the local variable here. This is the first point, and the second part is it can be used to call the other constructor or methods within the same class. Okay, within the same class, if you want to call the other constructor or the same method here. See this one here, public class rectangle. The class name is a rectangle. It is having the parameters as the x, y, width, and the height here. These are called as the instance variables. Okay. Public rectangle. This is the public rectangle is a constructor. In this constructor, I wrote the one more constructor here. This is called as this 0, 0 and 1, 1 here. This refers to the constructor which is having the four parameters here. It is calling the constructor which is having the four parameters are there. The values are 0, 0, 1, 1. Means the x value is a 0, the y value is a 0, and the width value is a 1, and the height value is a 1 here. This dot x equals to x. This dot x is nothing but this x variable. This value becomes as a 1. Next, this dot y equals to y. The y value is a 0. Alright, the x value is a 0 and the y value is a 0. Next, after that, this dot width equals to width here. What is width value? 1. Now this value becomes as a 1. Next, after that, this dot height equals to height. The height value is a 1 here. Means by using this keyword, we are calling the same constructor or a method within the same class here. Here we are calling this constructor rectangle which is having the four values. Here I wrote clearly here calls the four argument constructor. The main purpose of this keyword is to refer the current object data. Current object is nothing but the to difference between the instance variables as well as the local variables. Okay. Here, in this example, the value is called as instance variable. To separate this value and the constructor value, we are using the keyword as this keyword here, this dot value. And the second one is to call the other constructors or the method within the same class here. This is related to this keyword in the Java language.